Clear the zone. Dropping in 5.
Confirmed, all clear.
Hold it right there. Easy now. Clear on this side. Keep it steady.
Check the input valve, make sure it's steady.
Everything is running smoothly here.
Temperature levels are steady at the base.
Confirmed. The flow rate is consistent, no spillage detected.
As you can see on the chart, the moisture level is negligible.
Verified. This batch meets the specifications.
Increase the speed on stage 2. Already on it. Monitoring the flow.
Clearance is set on mill 3.
Acknowledged. Running steady now. receiving department, the merge is stable and flow rate is consistent. We are sending the batch through now.
Check the medium grade output, it looks slightly high.
Adjusting the flow now. Readings are back within tolerance.
Coarse grain arriving at magnetic separation line 2.
Copy that. Increasing flow rate on extra fine.
Clear to swap the bean.
Swapping. Keep an eye on the flow rate.
Metal detector clear. Advancing batch to sterilization now.
Roger that. Sterilization sequence initiated.
Temperature holding steady in the cold chamber.
Acknowledged. Flow rate is optimal.
The particle size uniformity is holding steady at 98%.
Good. The latest purity scan also came back clear.
Approved for packaging.
Frequency seems stable at 40 Hz. Maintain current flow rate and monitor impurity count.
Defect 1, black speck. 2, orange discoloration.
Batch 472 is approved for release. Initiating transfer to packaging. Confirm receipt.
Check the fill weight on line 3. Looks good from here, keep it moving.
Check the heat settings on station 3.
Adjusting now. Keep the line moving smoothly.
have an illegible batch code on package 4B. Check the embosser alignment on line 3.
We're almost out of blanks over here. Already sent more up to the feeder.
Send the next batch up now. Storage is ready.
Bay 4, row 12, right side.
Got it. Updating the manifest now.
Layer 7 is complete. Pattern looks solid.
Confirmed. The alignment is perfect for shipping.
We need 3 more pallets for truck 4.
Copy that. Sending them now.